Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to focus on 10 frames. I'm trying a new camera, so hopefully the lighting is better and that is a lot smoother. So what is a 10 frame? A 10 frame is just a way that we can represent a number. It looks like this. It is 2 rows of 5. And then if I wanted to represent a number in it, I could put counters, or for the picture, I'm just going to draw dots. So if I wanted to represent the number 4, I would draw 4 dots. You can represent it like this. This is how I like it, because I read it left to right like I'm reading a book. However, if you put the dots all in different spots, that's still the number 4, and that's okay. I just prefer to just keep it very organized like this. So, how to draw it? There's lots of different ways. Some of my students like to make the dots first and draw around it. I get them to draw either a rectangle like this, put a line through the middle, and then 4 evenly spaced out, which makes your 5 blocks on top and 5 blocks on bottom. You could also do it like this really quickly. Get your child or students, if you're watching, you can do it quickly like this. 6 lines evenly spaced going up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a line across the top, a line through the middle, and a line across the bottom. And there's your 10 frame. So easy to draw, but if you have to draw lots of them, it can be confusing. So I'll show you a shortcut when we do larger numbers. So if I wanted to represent a 2-digit number, so that's any number from 10 up to 99, I can do it with 10 frames. And if I wanted to represent the number 24, I could draw 2 full 10 frames. And another one, drawing it over here so I know you can see it. So I had to draw 3 full 10 frames because 24 is larger than 20 and I can only fit 20 on 2 of these. So for me to draw the dots to represent the number, in our class we would put counters down or draw them. But we have to fill up 2 10 frames. So there's 10. I'm making my next group of 10. So I have my 10 and 20, and now I need my 4. So that's a great way to represent the number 24. It can take some time drawing it, but it's really important for the kids to understand the groups of 10. All right, now I'm going to show you how to represent it with a larger number, and it's a shortcut that I let my students do after they've mastered representing with the 10 frames. So instead, if I had to represent the number 88, I'm not going to make them draw, I realize that's in the glare, 88. I'm not going to make them draw 9 full 10 frames to make the number 88. I'll say you can write down 8 full 10 frames, and I would actually get them to write it down. However, when I write down on this, it comes up backwards. So, but I would have them write down 8 full 10 frames, and then I'd get them to draw the last 10 frame. It just speeds it up, and it teaches them place value, and it shows them how to represent the number still. So I would still have to draw my 8 dots after I wrote down 8 full 10 frames, and now I have my leftover 8 dots to show 88. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask anytime. Thank you very much, though, and have a great day.